Oh my God, I missed you so much, Andres. And of course, ang tagal natin din nakita. Grabe. Wala. JJ? Na may keeper? Okay. Anyway, eto na sila guys. Wow, we are now back on the same stage kung saan natin ginawa yung meet and greet natin last year. Pero this time, bago tayo dumiretso sa ating exciting news sa surprises, gusto muna natin bigyan ng pagkakataon para magbigay ng kanilang heartfelt messages itong dalawa natin.
Oh, tamo! From the heart.
Wait lang guys! Palampakan nga natin si Andres, yung theater actor na to. Yes, theater boy!
Di pa. Pero getting there.
Siyempre, di ba sino yung matatawag mo ng Manila's finest? Yung
Parang ang galing mo dyan. Alam nyo na yan.
Ayan, so, Ashton, you wanna start? Any message para sa mga... May ganun? Okay.
Sige, unang-una pa lang. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Thank you for being here again today, and I see a lot of familiar faces. You know, we've been together for how long na? 1 year, diba? Kaya sobrang nakakatuwa, and it's really touches our heart talaga na we see the same faces that was here a year ago, and kahit through everything that's happened, all the projects and all the craziness and the events, nandito pa rin kayo. So maraming salamat.
Salutation.
Ganda, wala na akong masabi. Ang ganda ng sinabi.
No.
Sabi ni Ash, what he said, what my lovey said. Ash,
Pero ayun, thank you so much po sa support na binibigay niyo sa amin. Sana happy kayo and sana mag-enjoy tayo today.
mag-enjoy ba tayo today, guys? Kami mag-enjoy kami, pero kayo na bahala sa amin. Mag-enjoy tayo ng G? Oh, yeah.